Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Citi Online Banking on PC. Citibank is Multinational Financial Service Association. To log in to Citibank Online Banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.citi.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Citibank. Now here you can see the login box on the right side. Now to log in manually, you need to first enter the user ID on the given box. Then enter your correct password on the given box. Similarly, if you want your user ID to be remembered, then click on Remember User ID box. After that, if you haven't enrolled, click on Register option. And to activate your account, click on Activate option. With that, if you don't remember your user ID or password, then you can click on Forgot User ID or you can click on Password. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign On option. Similarly, you can also sign on with passwordless method. To do that, click on passwordless sign on option. Now here you need to open your device camera or Citi mobile bank application. Only customers who are enrolled in Face ID, Touch ID, biometrics or 6-digit PIN are eligible to sign in using QR code. After that, you need to center the QR code and then it will focus and scan the QR automatically. With that, you'll get a message that you and only you have signed on successfully. With this, you'll be able to sign on with the passwordless method. This is how we can log in Citibank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial, everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.